Hi, Robert Varden here at Taylor. Continuing our series on the installation of patterned carpets, specifically how to properly identify patterned bow, skew, and in this case, elongation. There are a couple of different ways of measuring for elongation in materials. What I'm going to do here is just a real simple, basic way of doing that. So what we've done is I went ahead and I've trimmed this, I've put the seam together, and as you can see from the film, this thing is definitely got some elongation to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here where I've actually got the pattern perfectly matched. I'm just going to take a little blue tape. I'm going to mark it right on that edge or point of this diamond. Once I've done that, I'm going to measure down about 12 feet. And the reason why 12 feet is because that's typically what most manufacturers use, simply because they're usually dealing with 12-foot goods. So your bow typically is X amount in 12 feet, same with your skew. So I'm going to come down about 12 feet, and I'm going to take that same diamond that I matched up perfectly down there, and I'm going to put another piece of tape, and again, roughly at 12 feet. Once I've put that, then I'm going to take my tape measure, and I'm going to measure how far. As you can see, this is the side that elongated on me. And I have, right to this point here, I've gained 1 inch. So that means that this material within 12 feet has elongated 1 inch in 12 feet. Now, depending on the size of the pattern and so forth, every manufacturer has tolerance for patterned carpets. So always check with your manufacturer, see what their manufacturing tolerance is. Keep in mind, though, that manufacturing tolerance really doesn't have to do with whether that material is correctable or not. It certainly has to do with the degree of difficulty it's going to take to correct that product. Also, most installers don't realize what their elongation is until they've done just this. They've cut the material, they've trimmed it, they put it side by side. That's when it really shows that elongation. I encourage you to watch another segment we have on elongation that's titled In Pattern Counting. What that enables you to do to actually determine the elongation prior to cutting any of the material. So be sure to watch all of them. Again, Taylor Adhesives, we're with you every step.